Sikh meditation, deeply rooted in the spiritual traditions of Sikhism, is a practice of profound significance, offering seekers a pathway to divine union, inner peace, and spiritual enlightenment. At the heart of Sikh meditation lies the concept of Naam Simran, which translates to remembrance of the divine name. Practitioners of Sikh meditation engage in the repetition and contemplation of sacred hymns and mantras from the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy scripture of Sikhism. Through the chanting of these divine words, Sikhs seek to connect with the divine presence that permeates all of creation and to cultivate a deeper awareness of their own divine nature. Moreover, Sikh meditation is not merely a mechanical repetition of words, but a sacred act of devotion and surrender. As Sikhs chant the divine hymns with sincerity and devotion, they offer themselves completely to the divine presence, surrendering their ego and individual identity to merge with the universal consciousness. Furthermore, Sikh meditation serves as a powerful tool for self-transformation and spiritual growth. By engaging in Naam Simran, practitioners purify their minds and hearts, releasing negative thoughts, emotions, and attachments that hinder their spiritual progress. Through the practice of Sikh meditation, Sikhs cultivate virtues such as humility, compassion, and selflessness, aligning themselves with the divine will and becoming instruments of divine grace in the world. In the modern world, where stress and anxiety are prevalent, Sikh meditation offers a refuge for the weary soul, a sacred space where Sikhs can find solace and inner peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Through the practice of Naam Simran, Sikhs can transcend the limitations of the ego and connect with the eternal truth that lies within their own hearts. In conclusion, Sikh meditation stands as a sacred practice for those who seek to cultivate a deeper connection with themselves and the divine. Through the repetition and contemplation of sacred hymns and mantras, Sikhs can awaken to the divine presence that permeates all of creation, experience inner peace and spiritual fulfillment, and ultimately merge with the universal consciousness. As Sikhs immerse themselves in the practice of Naam Simran, they discover that the greatest treasure lies not in the external world but within the silent depths of their own being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on meditation and mindfulness practices. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content to share with our community. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay mindful and keep meditating.